In this video, we're going to look at the index laws. We'll start with a little bit of terminology. So if I'm looking at 5 to the power of 3, 5 is what we call the base and 3 is what we call the index or exponent. So 5 to the power of 3 can also be written in extended form, which is 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. So the first law we're going to look at involves with multiplication. So we've got a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n, and that equals a, and we can just add the powers together, so m plus n. So to show how this works, if I have 4 to the power of 2, and it's multiplied by 4 to the power of 3, following my rule at the top, I just have to add the powers together, so that would become 4 to the power of 5. Now to show how we get that, 4 to the power of 2, if we wrote it out, is 4 multiplied by 4. And if we write out 4 to the power of 3, that is 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. And we can see that we have 1, 2 plus 3 is 5. So it ends up as 4 to the power of 5. So our second law is a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n, and we simply subtract the two powers in this case. So if I had 2 to the power of 5 and it's over 2 to the power of 3, the answer would be 2. The m minus n, so 5 minus 3, so it would be 2 to the power of 2. We can also see this by writing it out longhand. So 2 to the power of 5 is 2 multiplied by 2, by 2, by 2, by 2. And 2 to the power of 3, 2, by 2, by 2. And we can see how these cancel out. So cancel. And I am left with 2 multiplied by 2, which equals 2 squared. The next rule is a to the power of 0 equals 1, and that means that any number apart from 0, that is to the power of 0, will equal 1. This means that 3 to the power of 0 would equal 1, 500 to the power of 0 would equal 1, 1,598,000 to the power of 0 would equal 1. Now the way to show this rule works is by working backwards. So if I had 2 to the power of 3, which is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, this equals 8. Then we have 2 to the power of 2, which is 2 multiplied by 2, which equals 4. 2 to the power of 1 equals 2. And then we have 2 to the power of 0 equals 1. So this is the last index law we're going to look at, and it's a to the power of m in brackets to the power of n. And the rule for this is a, m multiplied by n. So we can look at the example. If I have 4 to the power of 2 cubed, that would be 4, and then it's 2 multiplied by 3, which is 6, so 4 to the power of 6. And again, I can show that this rule works by writing it out longhand. So if I have 4 squared, that's 4 multiplied by 4, and that actually happens 3 times because it's cubed. So I have 4 multiplied by 4, multiplied by 4, multiplied by 4, multiplied by 4, multiplied by 4. So I actually have 2, 4, 6. So it's 4 to the power of 6.